Everyone, welcome back to 9th standard maths class. In this video we are going to learn a new chapter. Chapter name is real numbers, chapter 10. So before learning the chapter, which all type of numbers you know? Which all type of numbers you have already learned? That means 0, natural numbers we know, that is 0, 1, 2, etc. Okay, natural numbers. Then negative numbers also we know, isn't it? -1, -2, -3, etc. This also we know. Now next, which type number we know? Yeah, fractions. That is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, like that. Okay, fractions with the numerator and denominator. Any other type of numbers? Okay. Next number, in the 9th standard itself we learn one more number. That means in new number chapter we learn about what? Root 2, root 3, etc. Okay, so all these type of numbers we already learned. Here the natural numbers, negatives and fractions. These numbers are collectively called what? Rational numbers. Okay, all these numbers are called rational numbers. Now this number, okay, this new number, we already know what is the name of this number. This is irrational numbers because for these values no exact value is there. Okay, root 2 approximate value is there, that is what? 1.41. This is the approximate value of root 2, not exact value. Okay, such type of numbers are called irrational numbers, and these type of numbers are called rational numbers. Negative numbers, natural numbers including 0, then fractions. Okay, rational and irrational. Now we have to learn what is real numbers. Real numbers means it is nothing. These rational and irrational numbers, okay, all these numbers are called real numbers. Okay, all these numbers are called real numbers. Then other than numbers is what? That you will learn in your higher standards. That means in +1 and +2 you will learn another type of numbers. Okay, that means imaginary number that you will learn in your higher class. So here real numbers means all these numbers. Natural numbers, their negatives, 0, fractions and irrational number. Okay, so all these numbers are called real numbers. Now next we have to learn about real line. Okay, all these numbers we can mark in a line. Before that, let me tell you one thing. In your 10th standard, continuation is there. Based on this chapter, you have to learn 2 chapters in your 10th standard. So, learn properly. Okay, 2 chapters are there. Very important, 2 chapters are there in 10th standard based on this. So, learn properly. Now, let's learn about number line. Number line means it is just a line in which we can mark all the real numbers. Okay, so many points in a line that we know. Okay, lots of points are there in a line. All these points can be represented as a real number. Similarly, all the real numbers can be marked in a number line. Okay, that is about the number line. Now, number line, the origin is there. That means a midpoint is there. From here we will mark the numbers. In this number line, if we move towards right, okay, if we move towards right, the numbers are getting larger and larger. Okay, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this it will move. Okay, so moving towards all the positive numbers, that means the numbers are getting larger and larger. And moving towards left from 0. Okay, from 0 if we move towards left, the numbers are getting smaller and smaller because towards left all are negative numbers. That is -1, -2, -3, -4, like that it will move. That means it is decreasing. Okay, so -1 and -4, which is a larger number? -1 is the larger number. For the negative values, the smallest number with negative is the bigger number. But in 1 and 5, 1 is the small number and 5 is a large number. But in -1 and -4 number, the large number is the small number with a negative sign is a larger one. Okay, so -1, out of -1 and -4, -1 is a larger number. This is smaller number. Okay, so this is all about the real line or number line. and the space in between each and every number will be same. From 0 to 1 centimeter if it is so 1 to 2 will also be 1 centimeter, then 2 to 3 also 1 centimeter. And in the same number line we can mark root 2 also. Approximate value is 1.41, so after 1.41 also we can mark in this number line. All the real numbers we can mark in this number line. Okay, now let's find how to find the distance between any two points in the number line. For example, 5 and 1. Distance between 5 and 1. How we will find the distance between 1 and 5? So here to find the distance. Distance means it is the difference of two numbers, the given two numbers. But to find the answer, you have to subtract the smallest number from the bigger number. Okay, so that is bigger number minus smaller number. Okay, this is the way to find the what distance between two given numbers. So from the given two numbers you have to choose which is a bigger number and the smaller number. Then by subtracting that two number we will get the distance. And in the next section you will learn one more equation. Okay, to find the distance, one more equation you will learn. If you know that equation, no need to find the bigger number or smaller number, you can directly write the answer. That is modulus of, suppose, distance between x and y. If the numbers are x and y, to find the distance between these two number, equation is absolute value of x minus y. Okay, this simple means it is absolute value or modulus. Okay, modulus or absolute value. This is actually second section, algebra section. Anyway, I'm telling this. So this is absolute value or modulus. The speciality of this one is no need to find the bigger or smaller number. From any number you can subtract. Now suppose the answer is minus 2. Okay, suppose the answer is modulus minus 2. When you take this number to outside this modulus, you have to write the answer as positive number. No need to write the sign. Okay, all the numbers inside the modulus, when it comes outside, the number will be positive. Okay, modulus minus 2 is 2 itself. Similarly, modulus minus 3 is 3. Like this you can write. So distance means either bigger number minus smaller number, or equation is modulus of x minus y or absolute value of x minus y. Next is about midpoint. Okay, how to find the midpoint of two numbers. Suppose we want to find the midpoint of 1 and 5. Okay, 1 and 5. These two numbers, exact midpoint if you want to find. Equation is sum of the given numbers. Okay, sum of the numbers whole divided by 2. This is the equation to find midpoint of given two numbers. So if it is 1 and 5, the method will be 1 plus 5 by 2. That is 6 by 2, 3. You can see, okay, 1, 5, the exact midpoint is 3. You will get the answer like this. So sum of the number divided by 2 is midpoint, and distance is bigger number minus smaller number. Okay, now let's move on to problems from page number 160. Here is your first question. Find the distance between the 2 points on the number line denoted by each pair of numbers given below. First question, you have to find the distance between the given two numbers. Okay, so total 5 sub questions are there. This is the first sub question. The given numbers are 1 and minus 5. We have to find the distance between these two numbers. So to find the distance we need the bigger number, isn't it? Subtraction with a bigger number. So 1 and minus 5, which is a bigger number here? Obviously 1 is the bigger number. So bigger number minus smaller number. Smaller is minus 5. Here a negative also there. So minus 5. Like this you have to write. This negative is a part of equation. Now negative and negative together means it is 1 plus 5. So answer is 6. 6 units is the distance between 1 and minus 5. Did you get the method? Just find the bigger number, subtract the next number from that. Okay. Now second sub question is 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Okay, 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. This is the second number. Now before applying this equation we need to find which is a bigger number and which is a smaller number. Okay, so for that, to check the bigger number in fraction, if denominators are same, you can check the numerator, but here denominators are different. So method is 1 into 3. Okay, this numerator into here. So 1 into 3 answer is what? 3 itself. Next, towards this 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 answer is what? 4. 3 or 4 is larger one? Yes, 4 is the larger number. That means 2 by 3 is the bigger number. Okay, this answer, which one is the largest answer? The corresponding fraction will be the bigger number. So 2 by 3 is here bigger number. So distance will be what? Bigger number 2 by 3 minus smaller number, that is 1 by 2. So cross multiplication. Okay, fraction subtraction means cross multiplication. So 2 2s are 4 minus 1 into 3, 3 divided by 3 into 2. Okay, so 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 by 3 2s are 6. So 1 by 6 units is the distance. The same one we can apply by using this modulus x minus y equation, that also I will show you. When you apply this equation, no need to find the bigger number or smaller number. You can directly take any other number. So, if I am taking x as 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3. Like this you will get. No need to find the bigger number. So, here also cross multiplication. 1 into 3, 3 minus 2 into 2, 4 by 3 into 2, 6. So, answer will be modulus of 3 minus 4. Different sign means bigger number minus smaller number. So 4 minus 3 answer is 1 with a negative sign. Minus 1 by 6. When this value comes outside of this modulus, answer will be what? It is positive. So 1 minus 1 by 6 means it is 1 by 6. The same answer we will get by using this equation, modulus of x minus y. Okay, so this is second sub question. Now let's do third one. So third one is minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. If you are confusing to find the bigger number, you can apply the modulus equation. Okay, modulus of x minus y. This equation also you can apply. This is distance formula. Okay, so here x we can take as what? Minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 minus next number minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3. Now here modulus of minus 1 by 2, negative and negative together means it will be plus sign, then 1 by 3. Now cross multiplication. So that is modulus of minus 1 into 3. Minus 1 into 3 means it is minus 3. Then plus. Then 1 into 2. Like this. Okay. So 1 into 2 is 2. Whole divided by 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. Next is minus 3 plus 2. Different sign. Different sign means what? Bigger minus smaller. So 3 minus 2 is one answer with negative sign. Okay, bigger number minus smaller number with bigger number sign. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Sign is negative divided by 6. Okay, so again we will get the answer as 1 by 6 units. Okay, because when you take this minus 1 by 6 outside of the modulus, we will get the answer as 1 by 6 units. If we apply the same distance by using the bigger number and smaller number, how we will find the bigger number here? Minus 1 into 3 first. Negative 1 into 3 answer is negative 3. Negative 1 into 2 answer is negative 2. Minus 3 or minus 2 is bigger one. I told you, if negative sign is there, the smaller number with negative is a bigger number. So minus 2 is the bigger number. Therefore, minus 1 by 3 is the bigger number. So distance will be what? Distance equal to minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. Like this you will get. Okay. So here minus 1 by 3, negative negative plus 1 by 2. Okay, now cross multiplication. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 plus 1 into 3 is 3 divided by 3 into 2, 6. So minus 2 plus 3. Again different sign. Different sign means minus 2 plus 3 means it is 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 answer is 1 by 6. The same answer we will get by using the direct formula. Okay, any of these two method you can apply, either this one or this one. Now similarly do the fourth one as homework. Now let's do fifth one. Fifth one is minus root 2 minus root 3. These are the two numbers. We find the distance between minus root 2 and minus root 3. So which number is the bigger number? Minus 2 or minus root 2 or minus root 3? If it is a negative number, smaller will be the bigger number. That is minus root 2. That is big. So distance equal to minus root 2 minus root 3. Okay, bigger number minus smaller number. So answer becomes minus root 2, negative into negative, plus root 3. So minus root 2 plus root 3 is the answer, or you can change the position, that is root 3 minus root 2. This is also possible. So this one, distance between minus root 2 and minus root 3 is root 3 minus root 2 or minus root 2 plus root 3. So first question over. Now second question is find the midpoint of the same numbers. Okay, find the midpoint between the same numbers given in the first one. So let's do the first one. So in the first sub question, numbers are 1 and minus 5. We need to find the midpoint of 1 and minus 5. So what is the equation? Midpoint equation is sum divided by 2. Sum of the given numbers divided by 2. So first number 1 plus second number is what? Minus 5. So 1 plus minus 5 divided by 2. So positive negative together means it is minus. Plus into negative is negative. So 1 minus 5 by 2. What will be the answer? 1 is positive number, 5 is negative number. So different sign means 5 minus 1. Answer is 4. 5 sign is what? Bigger number is 5. That number sign is negative. So minus 4 by 2. So minus 4 by 2 means we can cancel this with 2. In 2 only 1 2. In 4 2 2's are there. So final answer is minus 2. Minus 2 is the midpoint of 1 and minus 5. Okay. Now second one. Second numbers are 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Okay, these two are the numbers given. Now midpoint we are going to find. So midpoint equal to sum of these numbers. So 1 by 2 plus next number 2 by 3 whole divided by 2. Okay, that is equal to, how we will add the fraction? By using cross multiplication. So 1 into 3, 3 plus 2 into 2, 4 by 3 into 2, that is 6. Now here whole divided by 2. Okay, this is whole divided by 2. If we are taking this 2 to the numerator, it will be here. Okay, along with this denominator this 2 comes. So 6 into 2, like this you can write. So 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 by 12. 7 by 12 is the midpoint of 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Okay, this means 2 by 1. When you take this 2 by 1 to this side, it will be 1 by 2. That's why this 2 comes along with this denominator 3 and 2. Okay, so answer is 7 by 12 for the second sub question. Now let's do third one. Third sub question is minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 3. Okay, midpoint we are going to find. So midpoint equal to sum of these two numbers, that is minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 3 whole divided by 2. Okay, so first of all let's change the sign. So minus 1 by 2 positive into negative, that is negative 1 by 3 whole divided by 2. Now let's cross multiply. So cross multiplication, minus 1 into 3. Okay, minus 1 into 3 means it is minus 3. Then here one negative, put that negative also. Then 1 into 2, that is 2 divided by 2 into 3. Okay, 3 2's are what? 6. Then this divided by 2 here into 2. Divide, come to this side, it is into 2. So minus 3 minus 2. Minus 3 minus 2 means same sign. Okay, same sign means adding and put the same sign. So 3 plus 2, answer is 5. Both are negative, so answer also negative. Divided by 6 into 2, 12. So minus 5 by 12 is the third sub question answer. Similarly, try to find the fourth sub question answer as homework. Now let's do fifth one. Fifth one numbers are minus root 2 and minus root 3. So midpoint equal to sum of these two numbers, that is minus root 2 plus minus root 3 whole divided by 2. Let's arrange the sign, that is minus root 2 plus and minus means minus. Positive into negative is negative. Negative root 3 whole divided by 2. This is the answer. If you want, you can rearrange this one by taking this negative sign outside. Or here itself you can stop, no issue. If you want to simplify more, take this negative sign outside. Both are negative now. So take this negative sign outside. So outside the number, inside the numbers are root 2 plus root 3 whole divided by 2. This also correct. Or minus root 2 minus root 3 divided by 2. Both these answers are correct for the fifth sub question. Now let's do the third question. So first question we learn about how to find the distance between two given points. Now in the second question we learn how to find the midpoint of two given numbers. Learn the equations properly. Okay. Now let's do the third one.
Question number 3. The part of the number line between the points denoted by the numbers 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 is divided into 4 equal parts. Find the numbers denoting the ends of each such part.
In this question, we have a line with the end points as 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Okay, this is a line with the end of the points as 1 by 2, 1 by 3. And in the question, it is given that this line is divided into 4 equal parts. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4 equal parts. By drawing 3 points, we will get 4 equal parts. Then question is, what will be these numbers? These representing numbers will be what? That is the question. So for that, let's mark the points as A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Now here to find, let's find C first, because check the distance between AC and this A to B and B to C is equal part. Similarly, C to D and D to E is a similar part. So here to here, C to A and C to E both are same. Means the position of C will be what? Point C will be the midpoint of A and E. Okay. So point C equal to exact midpoint of what? A and E. Okay, because C to A and C to E both distances are same. That's why C is the midpoint. So, how we will find the midpoint of A and E? A point and E point we already know. So, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 whole divided by 2. Just by using this equation, we will get the point C. So, here 1 into 3, 3 plus 1 into 2, 2 by 3 2s are 6 into this 2. That is 5 by 12. So this C point is 5 by 12. So we got C point. Now next we are going to find B point. Now check here, all the 4 parts are equal. All the 4 parts equal means B to C and B to A also equal. So these 2 parts equal means B is what? B is the midpoint of A and C. So let's find B point. So B point equal to midpoint of what? Midpoint of A and C. Okay, midpoint of A and C. So A point is 1 by 2 plus C point is what? We got it as 5 by 12. Here we got the answer. So 5 by 12 whole divided by 2. That is 1 into 12, 12 plus 5 2s are 10 divided by 12 into 2. 12 into 2 is what? 24. 24 into this 2. Okay, take this 2 to the next denominator. So here answer will be 12 plus 10 is 22. So 22 by 24 into 2 answer is 48. So 22 by 48 is the point B. So this point is 22 by 48. So B point also we got. Similarly, to find the point D, how we will find the point D? D is the midpoint of C and E, because D to C and D to E, both these measurements are equal. Therefore, D is the midpoint of C and E. So, by using the same equation, find the midpoint of D also. Do as homework. That is 5 by 12 plus 1 by 3 whole divided by 2. Okay, by doing that, you will get the point D also. So, first activity over. Now, let's move on to next section, that is algebra. Section I already explained in the first section. That is distance between two numbers, modulus or absolute value of x minus y. Okay, absolute value of the difference of the given numbers. Suppose the numbers are x and y, then distance equal to absolute value of x minus y. This equation I already explained. Now let's do the problems from page number 164. So here the first question, okay, in the first question total 4 sub questions are there. In each sub question some equations also given. You have to find the value of x which is satisfying that equation. Okay, so first one is modulus of x minus 1 or absolute value of x minus 1 equal to absolute value of x minus 3. Then what will be the value of x? This is the first sub question. So here absolute value of x minus 1 means what? X minus 1 means distance between x and 1. Okay, this means this is what? Distance between x and y. Modulus of x minus y means distance between x and y. So similarly here x minus 1. Modulus of x minus 1 means it is distance between x and 1. From x distance towards 1. Similarly, this one means what? Distance between x and 3. Distance between x and 3. Distance between x and 3 and distance between x and 1 is the same. Equal means it is same. That means this x will be where? From this x towards 1 and towards 3, the distance must be same. Distance must be same means the position of x will be midpoint of 1 and 3. Then only both the distance will be same. Okay, from a particular number to the number 1 and to the number 3, both distance are same. Same means this x is the midpoint of this 1 and 3. So, to find x, in order to find x equal to what? Midpoint of 1 and 3. That is enough. Just find the midpoint of 1 and 3. That number will be x. So that is equal to, numbers are what? 1 and 3 are the numbers. So 1 plus 3 divided by 2. That is 4 by 2. That is what? 2 is the answer we got. That means the number x is 2. Now check. 2 to 1. Distance is what? 2 minus 1, answer is 1. Now 2 to 3. 3 minus 2, answer is 1. Okay, so if this number is 2, from 1 to 2 distance is 1, 2 to 3 also distance 1. That means exact number is the midpoint of this 1 and 3. Did you get the method? I hope that you got the method. Okay, so here the number is 2. First of all, you must learn this meaning of this simple. Modulus of x minus 1. This minus is a part of equation like this. Okay, so x minus 1 means distance between x and 1. X minus 3 means distance between x and 3. Okay, now let's do the second sub question. Second sub question is absolute value of x minus 3 equal to absolute value of x minus 4. So what is the meaning of this one, x minus 3? Meaning is distance between x and 3. Here it means distance between x and 4. Both distances are equal. That means x will be what? X equal to midpoint. Midpoint of which are the numbers? 3 and 4 are the numbers. Midpoint of 3 and 4. That is equal to 3 plus 4 by 2. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 by 2 is the number. Okay, so this number is 7 by 2. From 7 by 2 to the number 3 distance is the same. From 7 by 2 to 4 distance also same. That is answer. Now next is third one. Third sub question. The numbers. Equation is modulus of x plus 2. Modulus of x plus 2 equal to modulus of x minus 5. Here one change is there. Here it is x plus 2. But our equation is what? It must be minus. But here it is given as plus. So before applying the equation, we have to change the format. That means modulus of x plus we can split as what? Negative into negative is plus, isn't it? So instead of plus, let's write minus 2. Like this we can write. Okay. Then only we can apply the equation. So plus we can split as negative and negative. Negative into negative. That is equal to, here no change. Already it is of the format. So x minus 5. So here it means what? X minus minus 2. It means that distance between x and minus 2. Number is different. Here it is 3 because 3 is positive. Here 2 is negative. That's why x and minus 2. Then x and 5. These two distances are equal. That is given in this question. So here x equal to what? Midpoint of minus 2 and 5 will be, not 2 and 5. Don't consider it as 2 and 5. Here it is minus 2. If it is plus, you have to take the reverse sign. That is minus 2. So x equal to midpoint, that is minus 2 plus 5 by 2. So minus 2 plus 5, different sign means subtraction. So 5 minus 2 answer is 3, bigger is 5, 5 sign is what? Plus. So 3 also plus. So 3 by 2 is the x value. Okay. So here in this question x value is 3 by 2. Similarly, let's do fourth one. Fourth sub question is modulus x equal to modulus x plus 1, or absolute value of x equal to absolute value of x plus 1. Here also it is not in the format. So first of all we have to change this. That is, according to our equation, that is modulus x minus y, we need minus a number. So here only x is there. That means x minus 0 we can write, because x minus 0 is the same as x. So simply we can write it as x minus 0. Now how we will split this number? Plus is there. So plus we can split as negative and negative. Two negatives with 1. So here the numbers are 0 and minus 1. Okay, 0 and minus 1 are the numbers. So x is equal to midpoint of these two numbers. That is 0 plus minus 1 whole divided by 2. So positive into negative, answer is negative minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 is the number here in this equation. Okay, modulus x equal to modulus x plus 1 is satisfied only if x value is minus 1 by 2. Okay, so first question over. Now let's do the second question. This is question number 2. That is, prove that if 1 less than x less than 4 and 1 less than y less than 4, then modulus of x minus y less than 3. This is the second question. Now here 1 less than x less than 4 means what? 1 less than x less than 4 means 4. It means that the value of x, which all can be x values. Okay, one in between 1 and 4 will be x value. It is not possible to take 1 because 1 is less than x. If it is less than or equal, we can apply x as 1 also. As it is negative sign, it is not possible. Okay, x is more than 1 and less than 4. Okay, the value of x will be greater than 1 and less than 4. So greater than 1 number means it can be 2, 3. Is it 4? 4 is not applicable because x value is what? Less than 4. X value must be less than 4, not 4. So 2 and 3 are the possible values of x. Similarly, 1 less than y less than 4. This also means what? Y value, the numbers of y can be in between 1 and 4, excluding 1 and 4. 1 and 4 is not included, other than in between the numbers. So y also we can take as 2 and 3. 1 is not possible, 4 also not possible. If it is equal sign, that also possible to take. So here x value and y values are 2, 3 and 2, 3. These are other possible values according to this rule. Now we have to prove that distance between this x and y is always less than 3. So if we are choosing 2, x as 2 and y as 2. So distance between 2 minus 2, what will be the answer? 0. If x is 2, y is 2, or in that case answer will be what? 0. 0 is always what? Less than 3. Suppose we are taking x as 3 and y as 2. So distance will be what? 3 minus 2. Modulus of 3 minus 2 is what? 3 minus 2, 1, that is 1. 1 is also what? Less than 3. So minimum number and maximum number, if you choose, the distance will be what? Always less than 3. Whatever be the number, only 2, 3 is the possible to take. So when you take these numbers, we will get the answer that is less than 3. So we can write modulus of x minus y is less than 3. Okay, because distance is always 0 or 1, that is less than 3. So this is second one answer. Now let's do third one. This is question number 3. Prove that if x less than 3 and y greater than 7, then modulus of x minus y greater than 4. Okay, x value is always less than 3 and y value is greater than 7. We have to prove distance between any two numbers for x and y, distance will be greater than 4. So x less than 3 means x can be what? X is always less than 3. So maximum value will be what? It can be less than 3 means it can be 2, 1, 0, minus 1, like that. So the largest value for the x value, the largest value or maximum value will be what? Maximum value is for x is what? 2. Okay, maximum value of x is 2. Other than 2, after 2 we can't take any other number because always x is less than 3. Now y greater than 7. So y greater than 7 means y can be what? 8, 9, 10, etc, etc. It is continuing. So what is the minimum value? Maximum we don't know, but minimum is what? Starting from 8. So minimum value is 8. So in according to this condition, minimum y, okay, minimum value of y equal to 8. So these two numbers we know. Now let's find the distance between these two numbers, that is modulus of x minus y. If it is modulus of 2 minus 8, what is the answer? Modulus of minus 6, that is 6. The 6 is greater than 4. Okay, answer is greater than 4. Similarly, if we are taking next number is what? 1 and 9. Suppose it is 1 and 9. Answer will be what? 1 minus 9. Answer is what? 1 minus 9 is minus 8. That is equal to 8. 8 also greater than 4. Okay. So, by choosing maximum and minimum number itself, we got answer as greater than 4. So, if we choose a next number, what we will get? All the distance will be greater than 4. So, by choosing maximum and minimum, only first step is enough. So this is the answer for third one. If x less than 3, y greater than 7, then modulus of x minus y is greater than 4. This is third one answer. Now let's do fourth one. In this fourth question, we have one equation, that is absolute value of x plus y equal to absolute value of x plus absolute value of y. Question is, which all numbers we can take as x and y? Okay, any two numbers, which all can be the numbers. So two numbers are there. So possibilities are either x and y can be what? Positive numbers. Both are positive numbers. Or both are negative numbers. That also possible. Or 1 plus sign, 1 minus sign. Okay, two numbers are there. These are the three possibilities. Both positive, both negative, one positive and one negative. So these three are the possibilities. So let's check which all satisfy this equation. So first step, let's take both the numbers as positive numbers. You can choose any number. So let's take simple number. Let's take x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Okay, both are positive. Now let's apply these two numbers in this equation and let's see this condition is satisfied or not. So here modulus x means what? 1v2. So 1 plus y is 2. So modulus of 1 plus 2 equal to modulus of x. X means 1. Modulus 1 plus modulus y, that is modulus 2. Now modulus of 1 plus 2 means it is modulus of 3 equal to modulus of 1. Only one number is there. So when you take this one outside, it is 1 itself. Plus modulus of 2 means it is 2 itself. Now modulus of 3 means 3 equal to 1 plus 2, answer is what? 3. So 3 equal to 3. That means if you choose plus numbers, both positive, it can be satisfied. Modulus x plus y equal to modulus x plus modulus y. That means in the place of x and y, you can choose any two positive numbers. It can be 2, 3, 4, 5, any number. Y also can be 1, 2, 3, 4, any number. Both positive. Then you will get this answer. Okay. So first section over. Now let's check with negative numbers also. To check the negative numbers, let's take the same number with negative sign. Previous case was plus 1 and plus 2. Here I am taking minus 1 and minus 2. Instead of this 1 and 2, you can choose any number. Same answer you will get. Okay. So let's check. First is modulus. X means what? Minus 1. So minus 1 plus y is what? Minus 2. So minus 2 equal to modulus of x. X means minus 1. So modulus minus 1 plus modulus y. Y is minus 2. So modulus minus 2. Now let's do this. Here both are same sign, minus 1 and minus 2. So same sign means adding and put the same sign. So 1 plus 2 answer is 3 with sign negative, negative 3 equal to modulus of minus 1. I told you if a negative number comes outside of modulus, answer will be plus. So modulus of minus 1 is 1 plus modulus of minus 2 is 2. Okay, negative will be cancelled. Now modulus of minus 3 is what? Same, 3 we will get. Then 1 plus 2, 3. So again we got the same answer, 3 equal to 3. Instead of this you can choose 4, then 5, any other number you can choose. Okay, no issue. You will get both the parts are same, LHS and RHS equal. So both negative also possible. X and y can be any two negative number, that also possible. Okay, now one more is there, that is with plus sign and minus sign. So here let's take x as minus 2. Okay, suppose x is minus 2 and y is 3. Suppose one is negative number and one is positive number. You can reverse the sign also, no issue. Now let's check modulus of x, that is minus 2 plus y. Y is what? Plus 3. So 3 equal to modulus x. Modulus x is modulus of minus 2 plus modulus of y means it is 3. Now minus 2 plus 3. Different sign means minus, subtraction. So 3 minus 2 answer is 1. 3 sign is plus, so answer also plus. So 1 equal to modulus of minus 2 is 2 plus modulus of 3 is 3. So modulus of 1 answer here 1 equal to 2 plus 3 is 5. Is it equal? 1 and 5 equal? No, it is not equal. That means if one number is positive and another number is negative, this equation is not satisfied. Okay, this equation will satisfy only for both positive numbers and both negative number. Okay, modulus of x plus y equal to modulus x plus modulus y only for both positive number and both negative number. This with one positive and one negative, this equation is not satisfied. Okay, so this is question number 4. Now let's do question number 5. This is question number 5. Here modulus x plus y less than modulus x plus modulus y. Are there numbers which satisfy this equation? That is the question. So x and y. If we choose x and y as positive number, what will be the answer? Instead of this less than sign, we will get equal sign. Okay, in the previous question we proved if both are positive numbers or both are negative sign, modulus x plus y is modulus x plus modulus y. This already we proved for both positive numbers or both negative numbers. So both positive and both negative is not applicable, not possible to take here. So the next possibility is one positive number and one negative number. So let's check with the numbers. Put x is equal to a positive number, that is 2. Now y equal to any number, let's take it as minus 4. Okay, one positive and one negative. Now let's check whether this one is satisfying or not. So modulus of x is what? 2 here. 2 plus y is what? Minus 4. So 2 plus minus 4. It is less than modulus of x. Modulus of x means modulus of 2 plus modulus of y, that is modulus of minus 4. Now 2 plus minus 4. So 2 plus and negative together means it will be minus. So 2 minus 4, answer is what? 4 minus 2, 2 with negative sign. Okay, less than modulus of 2 is 2 itself. Modulus of minus 4 is 4. Modulus of minus 2 is what? 2. Less than 4 plus 2, 6. Is it true? 2 is less than 6. Is it correct? It is correct because 2 is smaller than 6. So, if we choose one number as positive and one number as negative, this equation is satisfied. For the other numbers, it is not satisfying. Okay, so both positive or both negative means it is equal. If one positive and one negative number, it is less than. Modulus of x plus y is less than modulus x plus modulus y. Now let's do sixth one. Sixth question is it possible to take modulus of x plus y greater than modulus x plus modulus y? Is it possible or not? It is not possible, isn't it? Because what? Already we proved that both positive, both negative, it is equal. Now if one positive, one negative, it is less than. Any other possibilities there? No, only two numbers, so total three possibilities are there. Both positive, both negative, one positive and one negative. So for these two equations, one is less than and one is equal. So greater than number, no possibility is there. Okay, for any two numbers, this equation won't satisfy. So answer is no. Okay, this answer is no. No other numbers are there.
Next is question number 7. What are the numbers x for which absolute value of x minus 2 plus absolute value of x minus 8 equal to 6?
Here in this question we have to find the value of x which satisfy this equation. Okay, what all numbers we can choose as x which satisfy distance between 2. When we add distance between that number and 2 and the same number and 8, when we add these two distance, we must get the answer as 6. Which all are the possible values of x? That is the question. So let's consider a line with 2 points as 2 and end point here 8. Okay, we need to check the distance between a number with 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 we can consider. So this x number can be anywhere. It can be towards right or towards left of 2, or it can be towards right of left of 8. Anywhere it can be. Suppose that number x is here. That means it is towards left. That is x less than 2. X less than 2 means here towards left it is 1, 0, minus 1, like that. Suppose x is 1. Okay, suppose x is 1 towards left. So if x is 1, answer will be what? Let's check the distance. So x, instead of x, let's choose 1. 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 8. So 1 minus 8. What will be the answer? 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus 1 minus 8. Answer is minus 7. That is equal to 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 is not equal to 6. We must get the answer as 6, but we got answer as 8. So it is not possible. That means towards this position. Okay, towards left, no number we can choose. Now let's consider that number x is towards right of this 8. Okay, this position, towards this position, x is here. So towards here numbers are 9, 10, 11, any number. So let's choose the minimum number, that is 9. Suppose x is 9. If x is 9, let's check the distance. Then modulus of, instead of x, 9. 9 minus 2 plus 9 minus 8 equal to 9 minus 2, answer is modulus 7 plus 9 minus 8, answer is 1, modulus 1. Again 7 plus 1. That is, again we got the answer as 8. That is not equal to 6. That means towards right of 8 is also not possible. So x cannot be number towards right or towards left of 8 and 2. So what are the next possibility? So x can be in between 2 and 8. All the remaining portions are here in between 2 and 8. Okay. So in between these numbers we can take as x. So value of x can be 3, 4, including 2. 2 also we can choose. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the possible values of x. If you have any doubt, you can check with starting number 2. Suppose x is this 2. Then distance will be what? Modulus of 2 minus 2 plus modulus of 2 minus 8. That is equal to 2 minus 2. Answer is 0 plus 2 minus 8 is minus 6. That is 6. Answer is what? 6. 6 is the same. Now suppose number is 3. Then 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1 plus 3 minus 8. Answer is minus 5. Again we will get the answer as 1 plus 5. That is 6. So x can be any number between 2 and 8, including 2 and 8. Okay. Other than numbers are not possible. So this is the 7th one answer. So hope you understand. Thank you. See you in the next video with the new chapter.